Hello friends, today I am going to show you nice beautiful rectangular centerpiece that can be used for any rectangular or oval table. This is everyday arrangement, any type of occasion, any season. You can change the color of flower and do for different occasion. You can play with it a lot. It's very easy. We start with some greenery, so you can put your greenery any way that you want, just basically to cover your mechanic. It's very important, always we make sure that mechanic, which is foam and edge of your container, is not showing. This design is rectangular. I am almost doing a smallest rectangular, but you can use any size, same technique. Technique is very important, that is to follow the way that you're supposed to do, to use greenery, flower, primary of flower, secondary of flower, and also cover your area that's supposed to be covered. So this greenery that I am using is eucalyptus. It smells good for any occasion, for indoor and outdoor parties as a centerpiece. They are very, I can say, strong greenery to be part of your project or your design. They don't die and they smell good. I am using a little bit of palm, small palm, to extend length of my design to go more rectangular. And on the other side, I am using some lily grass. Of course, this is too long. You can cut it and make it shorter, but again, you are extending length and size of your design. After some of this greenery, I am going to use our primary flower, which is hydrangea. Hydrangea is, as you know, very beautiful, a strong flower. They need a lot of water and hydration, but basically they last too long if you take care of them. With hydrangea or your primary flower, you create line and structures of your design. So it's very important for you to know what is exactly you are doing in your design. After hydrangea, I am going to use some beautiful Ecuadorian roses. They are gorgeous. They are good size. They are going to cover as much as you want. They are secondary, but sometimes you can use them as primary as well. You create your line again, which is triangle. So, I'm sorry, rectangular. We do triangle after this, maybe next week. We can do that too. So triangles are also very nice design, but this is rectangular for summer party or any kind of dinner party. You can use them. So your roses can go anywhere. Number of product doesn't matter if you want bigger or smaller. It's up to you how you want to present your design. This design is every side, the other side. Because when people sitting on the other side of the table and this side of the table, they need to see and enjoy this flower arrangement same. So we are going both sides to make sure we have everything that we are going to use in this design. Okay. So I'm also going to use some green mist, covering mechanic and make your design more dense and compact, which will give you better vision of your beautiful flower. Some area I like to use a little bit of million star. Million stars are very nice and they cover mechanic, but don't scatter them. Make sure they are coming to your design as a grouping. As a grouping, they are showing themselves better and nicer. I will show you. And in finished project, I think you saw how they are in one group staying together. I'm gonna use a little bit more. Just cut them short there and make them a little bunch. Give them fresh cut and go anywhere that you feel mechanic is showing. So you see, they are very nice, staying very nice together. Again, cut them, put them together and fresh cut and go this area to cover mechanic. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this beautiful eucalyptus here. And I can turn around the arrangement for you to see how everywhere is nice together. No mechanic is showing. And you see even this side and this side, they are very well together. So our arrangement for any occasion, especially for any indoor or outdoor rectangular dinner party, is done. Here is our finished project, rectangular arrangement. If you like to learn more different design, check us at minadesignschool.com.